बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and super stunning planter decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are super stunning and a very pretty collection of planter decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you like this video, then you click the like button and you should share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very amazing and very unique planter decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. And if you want different kind of craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty, these are very stunning and very unique planter pots decoration ideas for your home decor or garden decor. And you must subscribe my channel and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and these are very stunning and very beautiful and very unique planter decoration ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like these planter decoration ideas. You must subscribe my channel and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and super amazing and very pretty collection of planter pot decoration ideas. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must enjoy your life because this is your life, not others. And I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel. Bye bye.